Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here. Today I'm sitting in front of a 2026 Bennington 22 SSR Tri-Tune powered by a Yamaha 150 horsepower engine. This is one of our best-selling boats here for the lakes up in the upstate. This has the new midnight blue panel color, blackout package. All the railings and trim work are anodized black. Has the SPS Tri-Tune package to give you that performance that you're looking for on the water. Integrated dock lights that were LED and navigation lights is LED as well. Come around here to the back of the boat. So we got our 150 horsepower engine with the integrated Yamaha steering. Ski tow bar so you can pull the kids on the skis, wakeboard, or tube. This is the SPS Tri-Tune package I was telling you about. It's got a center mounted 33-gallon gas tank. They even have the ladder anodized in black. Come on inside, let's take a look. Y'all, this is the stern radius floor plan. That means you have the quad benches, a bench in every corner and a captain and co-captain's chair. You have the 80% cutout on the bolstering, which is a great spot to put your sunglasses, sunscreen, your purse to get it out of the weather. So you've got the cup holders back there. Very comfortable wraparound seating, so you can seat either facing forward or backwards. You have a removable bow table that's got a nice little tray area and 4 cup holders. Coming over here to the console, you've got a really nice console on this boat. The captain's chair here will recline. You got flip-up armrests, a tilt steering wheel. We have a Bluetooth Rockford stereo, a Garmin GPS, a wireless charger right here for out of the sun. They bring the throttle down right alongside the driver for a very comfortable riding position. Got your co-captain's chair here with additional cup holders. A 10-foot long bimini top to get you lots of coverage from the sun. This boat also comes with a full mooring cover as well. Love to show it to you here in person at MarineMax in Greenville.